Hello and welcome to my laptop, friend. This is Ken Melendez, and I'm super excited to have you here with me today learning about mysteemx.com. So this is a website where you're able to take your hard-earned Steem or the Steem that you purchased and turn it directly into cash. And it's a very cool website. I want to thank my friend Kevin Lee for introducing me to this service. So what is mysteemx.com? Well, right here it says it's the fastest way to buy and to sell Steem and SBD. So what you can do is you can take your liquid Steem or your liquid SBD and you can send it to mysteemx.com and you can connect your bank account or you can connect your PayPal to this website. And what's going to happen is you can just deposit it to this site. You can then switch it out for the currency that you desire, and then you can get it withdrawn to your account. So all you have to do is go to mysteemx.com, fill out this very simple sign up form right here on the right hand side. You can see you put in your Steemit username, your email address, your phone number, and you choose a password. Then you click sign up now. What's going to happen is they're going to send you an email, and you want to verify your email address, because if you don't, then you're only going to be able to withdraw $100 from your account. And so obviously you want to lift that withdrawal limit from your account. In order to do that, just verify your email address as soon as you get the email, and that will be lifted from your account. So let's jump right into the dashboard. I want to show you what it looks like. So here we are inside of SteemX, and it shows the current trading price up here of Steem, and then it also shows your profile information on the left hand side, your recent activity, and then it also shows right here kind of like a graph of your activity here. And then it also shows your deposit, your how you want to convert the funds, and your withdrawal tab. So as you can see, I already added my PayPal account here. This is my PayPal email address, so I added that to my SteemX account. And all I have to do is deposit Steem or SBD into my SteemX. And once I do, I can convert it and then withdraw it to my PayPal account. So let's go ahead and do that. Just want to give you guys a quick example. So I'm going to go into my wallet here on Steemit, and first I'm going to copy this address, and I'm going to walk you guys through the process. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Steem, and then I'm going to click transfer. Now when I transfer, I want to transfer it to the Steem exchange. So it shows it right here. I'll show you guys. Steem Exchanger. So I want to type in Steem Exchanger, and then the amount, I'll just do $1 just for demonstration purposes. And then that memo key that I had copied earlier, I'm going to paste that right in here as so, and then I'm going to click next. I'm going to confirm the transaction, and requires you to sign in to do that. Okay, so as you can see, I went from 156 liquid Steem down to 155. So now what's going to happen is, if I go over to the mysteemx.com dashboard and I click on I have made a transfer, watch what happens. So right now it shows no new transfer detected, but that's okay because sometimes it takes a little bit to show up. Let's go ahead and try clicking it again. Still no new transfer detected. That's okay. Sometimes it takes a little bit to do it. Let me check one more time. Okay, so it says that your account has been credited with 1 Steem. So that's really awesome. And as you can see here, now I can just go to the Convert tab. And now I can convert it if I want to. It shows the price right here, the amount, okay, and what you get after the fees, okay. So I can convert my Steem to USD. If I have SBD, I'm going to use this right-hand side over here. Man, this site is so cool, guys. I love this website. So you're going to be able to convert your SBD over to USD as well. But right now, I'm just going to take my Steem and I'm going to convert it. So right now it is showing as 70 cents, so I'm going to convert Steem to USD. Are you sure? Yes. Okay, so it shows that I have been credited 70 cents and I can proceed to the withdrawal tab. So now it shows in my recent activity that I have USD credited, and I can click on withdrawal. And it shows that the balance is too low to withdraw. It says the minimum withdrawable balance is $1 and your balance is not up to $1. Okay, that's all right, because that's basically what you would do. Is just you would withdraw. The last step would be to withdraw it to your account, whatever account you want to put on there. Now, if I want to add an additional account, I can do that. I can click on add new account. And right now they're only accepting PayPal. Excuse me if I said, your bank. I pretty much consider PayPal a bank. So you can withdraw to PayPal. That's the main way to do it. They will be adding Square Cash, and they're also going to be adding Zelle Pay as well. So that's really cool. Awesome. So as you can see, guys, this is a very simple website, mysteemx.com. It takes about 2 seconds to sign up for it. And obviously they do take, a fee for using this service. They have to run their business somehow. But if you go to mysteemx.com and you scroll down to the bottom, you're going to see the frequently asked questions area, and you're going to get questions answered for you, like how is price calculated? What is my withdrawal limit? How many withdrawal requests can I make daily? And I believe there was a fee. Yeah, what is the service fee the SteemX charges me for every transaction? So you can check those out at your own leisure, but I just wanted to give you guys kind of a walkthrough of how to do it and make sure that you are just aware of this service and how cool it is. So super easy, super fun, super fast. Yeah, that's about it. So thank you, friend, for watching this video with me today about mysteemx.com. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below in the comments. I will leave a link as well in my blog post to this website if you want to just click on it and go right there. There's no affiliate link at all involved here. It's just a direct link to the website. And if you like this video, if you enjoyed it, feel free to smack that follow button. And I can't wait to see you in the next video, friend. Until then, remember, you're awesome. You're always awesome. And I care about you, and have an amazingly rest of your day. Take care, my friend. Bye-bye.